Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Sorry I've been gone for a while. I've been kind of busy with my car being in the shop, getting repaired, and just busy with life. So I'm kind of hopefully back making videos 2 times a week after today. So thank you for sticking around. I greatly appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the day when my car got accident and the repair process. And you guys can guess how much the repair is going to cost. And then I'll tell you everything about that at the end. So as you can tell, I got an accident January 22nd of this year. It was quite a big accident actually because I hit the bricks. I slid in the snow, I hit some bricks, and then my car door went open, so it was kind of dented in, as you can tell in the picture. So right after that, I put a claim in the same day. It was a weekend, so I had to wait until Monday for them to reply back, which they did. I couldn't get hold until Tuesday because I think I was sleeping, so I missed the call. So that kind of sucked, but after that, Progressive wasn't too bad, getting hold of for the most part, which was kind of nice. So that was good. But as you can tell, it was a big process because they had to talk to her and then she had to send pictures through them. And then they gave me an estimate. That was for the first claim. I actually had to make a second claim, as you can tell, because I guess for 2 separate incidents, you had to make 2 separate claims, which kind of annoying. So that kind of pushed the process a little bit back a couple of days, but it wasn't too bad. Except when I got hold of the next guy, he was kind of busy, so it's kind of hard to get a hold of him. So I kind of took a little back and forth, but eventually, as you can tell, I think it was January 26th, I talked to him, and then I set up my repair process with Telemetries and Chanassin here, which wasn't too bad, but I had to wait a long time because they weren't available until March 1st, so I had to wait over a month just to get my car into the shop, which kind of really sucks because I guess they don't have like free repair companies in Minnesota right now in this area that can actually handle Tesla repairs. I mean certified repairs. So I kind of hopefully had more in the future, so it actually take a lot quicker to get my car into the shop, which was probably the longest process in the beginning. That kind of really sucked for me because I didn't have a car. I still use my car, but I couldn't get out of the driver's side door, so I had to go for the passenger door every day. So that was kind of annoying for that over the month. But after that, eventually the week before, we set up a rental vehicle and all that, which was pretty easy with Progressive. That wasn't too bad. And on March 1st, I brought my car into the Tesla shop, and I was waiting for my repair vehicle, which I guess I got a Toyota 4Runner, which is a big SUV, which I wasn't really used to. So that was kind of new vehicle for me to drive in, so it kind of took me at least a week just to get kind of used to it. And also that same day, I had some problems with my bank account. I had to move some funds over from my savings because I kind of forgot about I had to pay for that and I didn't have enough funds, so I had to move some funds over. But after that, it wasn't too bad. So as you can tell, I was waiting for my call. In the meantime, they always gave me updates. Elementary gave me updates every like 2 or 3 days, which was really nice. As you can tell in this video, they took apart the vehicle, which took a while, a couple days, and then they sent over the insurance, and then insurance had to look at it and give them an estimate, which took like almost a week for that probably. Then they put the parts on order on March 7th, so like almost a week, like 6-7 days after I gave them the vehicle. And they were waiting on parts, as you can see, which was probably going to be into next week. March 11th, they had a few parts that arrived, but still waiting for the big parts. Hopefully next week, they said. So that kind of was a pain. Parts was a big problem too, taking a while, as you can tell. But not too bad, I guess. You just have to wait. And March 15th, they're still waiting a couple parts. Still the main unisign assembly and the bumper. On March 17th, based on the Tesla site, they have all parts in. They should have all the parts in now. But the pulse manager has been out for the last 2 days ill, so here to go for all the pulse, make sure all of them were good. And then they're starting the body work. I'm moving over to paint after that. March 22nd, they're working on the body repair. And then you say, oh, it could be a couple more weeks easily between body paint, assembly, and scans the same day. So as you can tell, it's taken a while. As you can, definitely not open on the weekends, so that kind of sucks. But March 24th, they're still working on the body repairs. March 30th, he was out for those last 2 days. He was sick, so he got back to me now. Body work's completed, and now they're working for it. Going to work on the paint at that time. April 1st, they hope they'll have a reassembly by Tuesday at the latest. April 5th, they're all the paint and into reassembly now. And April 7th, they're finishing up to reassemble. And they're getting the car over to mechanical. I hope to have it ready by start of next week sometime. So they're making some good progress now. Just finishing up some few things, which is nice. Almost done. April 12th, we're done mechanical. Have the car back for detail and hope to have the building done very soon. So it's all done. Just finishing up the building, which I did. I was in Disney World that time, so which actually kind of worked out for me. So on the way back home, you can tell on the emails, I was going to pick up my car. They had the keys in the cars and they had it all ready out of service mode, so I decided to pick it up and pay. So I paid $1,000 deductible for the 2 claims, which I kind of only want to pay for 1 claim, but that's how Progressive works, I guess. So I finally got my car back on April 15th, Wednesday. So as you can tell, it took like almost a month and a half just for them to finish all this stuff. So it was actually a long process, as you can tell. Actually more, almost 2.5 months, because until my vehicle was damaged. So it's a very long process for Teslas right now in Minnesota. So that kind of sucks, but that's how it goes here right now until they have more body shops. Hopefully, it's very busy right now, apparently. So here's the final pictures. Everything was looking very good. They actually fixed some extra stuff. They put new side cameras and they put a new charge port door, so actually you can open the door now, auto. So that's very nice of them. They did a great job. Communication was great. Everything was very nice and professional. The only problem, it took a long time, but other than that, I always use them for my repairs. So just a heads up, it might take a while. So here's the final building for the bumper. It was like almost $2,000 for the bumper with all the stuff going on, as you can see. I paid $500 deductible, and for the big repair, the door, it was over $10,000, as you can tell. They did a lot of extra stuff that I didn't really have to do, but they did anyways, which I greatly appreciate. If it's all in the shop, they might as well do more than they can, right? So, because I'm only paid $500, so I'm really happy with how this process went for the most part, except the time it took. So, thanks for watching my video, guys, and I hope you see you more in the future. Oh, and also, I'm gonna be my next video is gonna be comparing my Toyota 4Runner rental with my Tesla Model 3 and see how those compare, because I drove that for over a month, so I have a good idea of how it compares to what I drive now for the Tesla. So that's it, guys. I'll talk to you soon. See ya. Thanks for watching. Bye.